What is staking and why does it matter for Bitcoin? Think of it like putting money in a savings account. Your funds are locked and you earn rewards for helping the system run. On a blockchain, there are nodes, computers that process transactions. Some validate transactions, some put transactions in order, and they all need to agree on what's happening on the network. To keep everyone honest, participants stake their Bitcoin. If they cheat or try to manipulate transactions, they can lose some of their staked assets. This encourages fair behavior and secure operations. When you stake, your Bitcoin joins a pool with other users. The pool collectively supports the network, processing transactions, generating proofs, and securing the system. On Goat, you can stake via Artemis. You deposit Bitcoin, receive ArtBTC tokens, and your share of the pool earns rewards over time, like interest in a savings account, but powered by real blockchain activity. Staking helps keep the network secure, keeps participants honest, and lets you earn rewards for your Bitcoin. Check out our Artemis tutorial to see how to start staking step by step on Goat Network.